Like many seniors today, the Joels are looking to make their golden years golden, so they're facing a critical decision: to keep or surrender their life insurance policy.
I started buying life insurance as soon as I got married to protect my family.
Honey, what's that you're reading?
This is a plan for a life settlement to sell our insurance policies, get the cash now instead of continuing to pay these high premiums. Jay and Bob handed me these brochures. I wasn't aware of it, but we can sell our insurance policies now.
Magna Life Settlements is a top-ranked life settlement provider. A life settlement is where a consumer and insured has an unneeded or unwanted life insurance policy. Well, what Magna Life Settlements does, and what a life settlement is where they can take their life insurance policy and they can sell it to a third party for cash above and beyond the current cash surrender value.
Donna is on her way over to her parents' house to discuss the possibility of selling their life insurance policy.
I don't know if you've ever heard of life settlements for insurance. That is basically selling our policies now while we're living, selling it to this Magna Life Settlements so that we have additional funds to take us through our life rather than waiting till we die.
We could use the money for going on cruises and travel. And also my husband's very charitable, and we would also give it to charity.
Life insurance is actually property, and it's property that can be sold. 500,000 insureds are lapsing their policies every year. And that's 500,000 insureds that could have come to Magna Life Settlements and received an offer above and beyond what the insurance carrier would have paid them for their policy.
So I wanted to get your opinion, see what you think of it.
Let's get the facts online. We can get an estimate here. So let's put in the value.
Put in, it's a $2 million policy.
Okay, so let's put in $2 million.
And put my year of birth there.
Okay, now we have to just put in your health status. So I think we'll put in a little worse just because you've been dealing with some issues. Okay. So we'll put that in.
People that are over the age of 65 that have a life insurance policy that's over $100,000 and has a few health impairments, they'll have to answer a health status questionnaire as well.
Yeah.
And let's see what we got.
Billy, also, you know, God forbid if one of us gets sick and we need help, this will certainly help with having a care.
It's true.
Health care.
True.
So that's a good thing to think about.
The money, let's enjoy it. Let's go travel.
Look, you're in your golden years, so you might as well get the money and enjoy your life now. Magna Life Settlements looks really good. I'm super excited for my parents.
Now that they're older, they're more secure financially, their family's taken care of. They no longer have a need for that life insurance policy. And so that's where Magna Life Settlements comes in. And we're able to take that policy and give them more money than the life insurance carrier would pay them for their policy.
I think it went really well. I know that myself and my siblings are well taken care of, and now my parents can do what they want to do.
Okay, honey?
Sounds good to me.
And you can have some more shopping dates, you know?
That's always a good idea.
Okay, baby.